Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy weighed in on the recent gun violence today at a presser on rural health care in Texas. CBS News reporter Karen Hua was there. She joins us now. Karen, it's great to have you. You asked Secretary Kennedy if he considers gun violence a public health problem. What did he have to say?
Hey, Meg, good to be with you. So perhaps important to know, I asked Secretary Kennedy if he sees gun violence as a public health crisis. He responded saying he sees mass shootings as a public health crisis. And he also wants to explore psychiatric drugs as a probable root cause of gun violence. I also asked, since many CDC programs that study gun violence have been cut in recent months, who is going to be responsible for looking into gun violence in the future? This is what he had to say.
I certainly consider mass shootings a health crisis, and we are doing for the first time real studies to find out what the etiology of that is. And we're looking for the first time at psychiatric drugs. You know, these kind of mass shooting, people have had guns in this country forever.
So it was imperative that we ask Secretary Kennedy these questions, especially in the wake of this week's Minneapolis mass school shooting, and also just weeks after a gunman shot and killed someone while trying to attack the CDC headquarters. Meg?
Karen, what did Kennedy have to say on the firing of the CDC director and how this will likely affect the agency going forward?
Yeah, so Secretary Kennedy did confirm to us today that he let go of the CDC director, Susan Monarez, and she's been on the job for less than a month at this point. Secretary Kennedy says he generally dislikes the way the CDC handled the COVID pandemic, saying that many of the recommendations they gave were, quote, bizarre and not science-based. And he also claims that there's still misinformation on the CDC website. Many top officials at the CDC disagree so strongly, though, with his points of view that 4 top officials at the CDC have decided to resign this week. Meg?
All right, Karen Hua from Austin, thank you.